The all-new 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is set to be a spectacular future ride with impressive updates. With a blend of cutting-edge technology, luxurious interiors, and powerful performance, this motorhome is designed for those who see travel not just as a journey, but as a complete experience. Chevrolet has maintained its classic style while incorporating modern design elements into this new motorhome. The front features LED headlights, a new grille design, and aerodynamic body lines that not only give it a sporty look, but also help improve fuel efficiency. It's a large vehicle, but Chevrolet has used lightweight materials to keep it efficient and easy to drive. Moving inside, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome offers an interior that feels like a luxury hotel room. With 2 or 3 slide-outs, the space inside is very generous. Comfortable beds, a spacious kitchen area, a 5-star bathroom, and a high-tech infotainment system make it a complete family traveler. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa integration, and 5G connectivity mark it as a truly smart lifestyle vehicle. When it comes to power, Chevrolet has introduced a new hybrid V8 engine in this motorhome, which is not only powerful, but also more environmentally friendly. The 10-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system give you total control in any road condition, whether you're driving through mountains or empty highways. Additionally, features like regenerative braking and a solar panel system make it more efficient and eco-conscious. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome also places a strong emphasis on safety. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, it's a very safe vehicle for long-distance travel. Chevrolet's new AI-based driver alert system warns the driver in case of fatigue or distraction. An excellent safety innovation. One of the best things about this motorhome is that it's made for long trips with family or groups. There's enough storage space to carry supplies for weeks. On top of that, an outdoor kitchen and extendable awning transform it into a perfect camping-friendly mobile home. Chevrolet has designed the 2026 motorhome with future needs in mind. It's not just a transportation vehicle, it's a luxurious, moving apartment that combines comfort, safety, and smart features all in one. If you love road travel with your family, this motorhome could truly be your dream vehicle.